Alright guys, we're gonna go for a group ride and test the 7260R against a bunch of other scooters. Alright guys, so I asked Greg to make a small group ride so we can test all these scooters here. So I have the Mars XTR from Teewing, we have the GT, we have the Teverun Supreme Fighter 7260R right here fully charged with the V4 kit. We have the Inmotion RS, this is the Lite, another GT. We could not find a GTR unfortunately, so this is the best scooters we can find today in the DC area for this group ride. There's a bunch of people with also really fast bikes right there. So, hey man, hey. Thanks for the organizing, this is awesome, thank you.
Hey, big turnout, that's awesome.
Back here we have the wired Anioki. This one is with street tires. The guy told me he gets almost 50 miles an hour, which is pretty cool. We have the Warrior and the Hog bikes here. And that's first bike right here. Bon appetit! You should share the food out, come on! And we have a bunch of one wheels and we have a board here. So we're gonna try to, the guys told me they have a spot here which is like 3 miles long and it's super wide, so we're gonna try to go fast and see acceleration, and if this allows to go full speed I'll try to do full speed here, if not I'll do it home. I found a spot where it's empty after like 1 a.m. 12 a.m. so in the morning, so I'll try to do their top speed. If not, we're gonna try here today, but this is fully charged. I actually 95%. I didn't want to fully charge it because it's not fair. Look at this motor size at 100% and look at this motor size for this. It's just like, it's so much bigger, so I think it's not really, you know, I mean, we have different size and weight, so that will probably balance out or not, but this is what we found today, and I promise you top speed, acceleration, so this is coming today. The rider suggested few locations, so we'll head there. It's about 4 to 5 miles away. I'm trying to save as much possible battery and get there slowly. Super excited to see how much the scooter can output, and this is the first time I'm going full speed, full power, so I'm a little worried, and I hope it does as expected and everything goes as planned. Alright guys, so this is the spot, and we'll try to do a drag race right here. There's not many cars, but you know, there are a few passing by. The problem is it's all the way from that sign, the yellow sign, all the way here. I think that's like what, a quarter mile maybe? And from here all the way to the sign where we start, right? Because this is straight line here. I mean, if we're like 5 scooters taking the turn, I don't know if people are comfortable. High speed is kind of dangerous. Try to move out of the way, yeah, because there's a car coming. So that's what I'm thinking. From there to here, how much? Maybe a quarter mile?
I don't know, this whole road goes and goes.
Yeah,
so.
it goes, but you can't go at 60 miles an hour on this turn. I don't know how people.
True.
Yeah,
it's flat all the way to that bridge once you make the turn.
But it's not straight, so that's.
I got you.
Yeah, so I'm thinking drag race from the cross path, right, from the zebra, all the way here is maybe what? Maybe like 400 meters, 500 meters.
Yeah. Maybe to this concrete pillar.
Yeah, to the concrete pillar. That's what I'm talking, because here you have to slow down because you go in the corner. I can go right through, but I don't know how, and if it's a little tight space,
I understand.
It's going to be, you know, tricky.
What I shared last night isn't this.
Right over here.
It's not this.
Is it a better spot?
Yes.
Is it far from here?
It's like a mile.
A mile from here?
Yes.
Should we go there?
Where?
Like it's Southern Avenue.
Hey, yo, it's on the street.
I think this place is good. We're not gonna like do a full race, just drag race. And I think here, like this side right here, look, it's open. It's a little rough, but you can go all the way to the end. I actually just rode. I think it's pretty good. I think this is perfect. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so who's counting, or how gonna go?
Ivan's gonna count it. 3, 2, 1.
Well, where's the finish line?
Where the bike is.
is.
Oh, it's the bike. Yeah. Do you want me to count it down?
Yes, sir.
And also recorded. I'll be on the side here. It's gonna be a 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Where's the rest?
I thought we were stopping back there.
I slowed down. I thought it was pothole, so I wouldn't have caught you anyway, but I still slowed down a little bit.
I did 58 max.
I didn't even look.
What happened?
I thought the first bike was the end, man. Shit.
I mean, first bike, but oh shit.
Now I know.
One more time?
Why don't you guys start at the trash thing?
Yeah,
Okay, let's go there.
better
Yeah.
because-
Are you okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Why
but-
did you fall? How did...
Right here, man. It got in the gravel. The front wheel is.
But you keep the scooter straight. You don't like, you know, you.
I had it straight, but when I hit the rocks, my front end was spinning so much it just went out on me. That's
see.
the first time I've ever fell.
Oh, be safe, okay? I'm glad you're okay. Oh shit.
Isn't that horrible?
I'm gonna go faster now.
I turned it up to 28 kilowatts.
Oh shit, that's nice. That's nice.
Just not the fender, yeah.
Well, you have to be on the side. I don't, you're right in the yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'd go, right?
3,
I'm good.
2, 1, go!
Yeah, you're in front of me. I was catching up slowly behind you. I need a little more speed to probably would have passed you. Oh shit! Oh shit!
I did that a minute ago too.
I've never felt my bike top out before, and as I was going through the tunnel, I felt my throttle die out. So
I eased up in the tunnel just because
This thing, I need more space to catch up, but I feel like I was getting more like at the end. Yeah, go ahead. We're good now. Let's go back. Yeah, it was cool.
So get ready.
How far are you behind me? Brett, how far are you behind me?
I was considered, well, maybe 30 feet when we hit the tunnel.
Oh, it's not bad. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go back. Yeah.
Everybody's still on high gear.
Yeah, acceleration. Look at it. It's nuts.
He turned that shit up.
He was fast this time.
Yeah.
Really fast. But at the end, I almost caught up with him. I was like, if I think I had another half a mile, I would have passed you probably.
Yeah, because he said he ran out of juice.
Out of juice?
Yeah, I mean.
Well,
still-
60 volts, so 72 is a big difference. But still, if it goes 72 with that controller with the nuclear, that's gonna go 100 plus miles an hour.
Oh yeah, it will.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. If it gets the new
I'm getting a 72 volt next week.
the 72 volt battery, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. His battery is 60 volts, 60. amps.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot it with a 360.
Yeah. Let me know when you're in position and when you're ready. The thing is, if I press plus when I go fast, it goes into boost mode, but I just don't have enough time to press boost. Let him get ready. So we're gonna stop at the same way at the end of the tunnel.
I'm gonna get a head start.
Let him get a head start.
How much do you weigh? How much do you weigh? 184? And with the backpack, right?
Right. I mean, it's very light, so probably like close to like 200 maybe.
200? How about 235? Maybe. Yeah, 35, 40 pounds difference.
Ready?
1 second.
1.
Brand new bike. But he tried to get the
You fucked with it, yeah.
Holy fuck! That's insane.
Did you hear the wheels in that thing?
Yeah, no, the bumps here. Acceleration is probably greater on this.
Yeah, you came up with me till like almost till the end, till half like. How does it feel? How is the first impressions?
Compared to riding those right now, it's almost like it's too stable. Like you're like, oh, this is pulling.
Compared to this?
Like, huh?
It's better stable than this?
Yeah.
Even than a rest? Really?
I don't have stabilizers and stuff on that.
No, but the thing is, this is steep. I have to loosen up because this was for speed race, right? So
Yeah. But I mean, I have that little wedge. That ain't.
that doesn't do anything.
I
no.
think that's better than what this is, but.
But this doesn't need stabilizer. But
No.
but how besides? I'm sorry. How besides power and everything else? How does it feel?
I don't feel like the acceleration is as much as this one.
It's less than this.
Yeah.
But I was faster than this.
Top speed. Yeah.
Top speed, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Interesting.
Top speed for sure. Is this one? I think this has way more acceleration.
This one acceleration, okay. Well, also.
Stop back there and try to take off and.
Well, also you have now not full battery. This is like
Right.
this is like now 83%. So 90%, 100 will be a big difference.
Right.
But still, like you feel like there's more acceleration, right?
That is, yeah.
So XTR more acceleration. And anything else?
I mean, the front tire was just spinning every time you accelerate.
Because it's bigger tire and it's like yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it when you're like.
So
I like it. It would take you. I mean, obviously a little bit more riding, but.
Yeah,
you didn't have much riding, but like yeah, what, half a mile only. But
right.
between that one, this one, and this one, which you think is like more comfort or more stable?
More stable.
Or let's say
I would say this is more stable.
more stable. But what do you like on the scooter?
About this one?
No, between you had this and this for a while, right?
I love how sleek mine is.
How sleek, right?
I like the design of it.
The design.
This one's not terrible. This kind of reminds me of mine. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. But it looks different. It looks so different.
Tires, and then I mean I know you got tape and stuff on the looks dope, but
Yeah.
this is definitely more. I think this is definitely more stable.
More stable than that.
So it's this one, and then that one.
I see. So number 1, number 2, number 3.
Yep.
I see.
Acceleration, say 1. Mine might got more acceleration than yours too. But
Okay.
it's not for long, because then once you get going, it's done.
Yeah. Interesting.
But then again, we didn't have 100% when I just tried it too. So
Yeah. We need to find like, I mean, this is cool, but we need to have like 2-3 guys that strip, fully charged and full committed to go like,
Yeah.
you know, and maybe a drone, maybe somebody following, because I have to see on the footage to see how it's gonna look like. But I mean, top speed, yes, nothing beats this.
Right.
But yeah, we can't have it all, right? I mean, I have a seat
Let
actually.
me tell you that also, because from this to this is like
It's too narrow, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if he got a different. I think he did get a new handlebar.
Yeah, it's
So did I. So it's a little bit wider.
Yeah.
So you feel a lot more stable when it's wider.
Look, this is very...
I already unfolded it.
Okay, yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother. Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I haven't ridden the scooter in a while. Both of my
I
scooters
can tell.
don't work.
We were trying to keep him full power, and he's like,
Guys, thank you for participating. Thank you so much. And hopefully the footage is cool. I really hope it looks good,
The last one. So what are you local? Are you local?
I'm everywhere. I'm now in the Falls Church.
Okay. So your recordings have they been in Falls Church or someplace else?
Last 5 months is Falls Church, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Virginia, I mean Tyson Corner, Falls Church, but I'm thinking to go back to New York. So
I was going to say I thought you were like New York.
yeah, New York, I can't beat New York. I mean, what's going on there is just like different life. You have to be there for like at least 10 years to understand. Somebody might not like it. I like this, but here's like more chill. Like I don't know my neighbor's name, man. In New York, entire building knows you by name. For the next video, I'm gonna take this seat from the Teverun right here, from the Tetra, and he's gonna go onto the scooter. So this mounts exactly right here. I already tried it. It fits the same hole pattern, and this is a race. I have to put some spacers and raise this a little bit higher. You remove this rubber here, and you can do that. You can see the screws right here, and I didn't put that hook for the stem. But guys, this scooter, it's super stable now with the V4 kit, and in a tunnel I get 62. I got 62 miles an hour top speed, but in tunnel the GPS did not show because there's no connection, and my DIY Fang came off. So luckily I didn't drop my phone and break it. It came out after that, so I have to keep it in my pocket, but it's fully charged. And let me show you quickly. I'll try tonight when the streets are empty, there's nobody riding, maybe 11 p.m., maybe 1 a.m. in the morning. All right, so it takes a couple of tries. So I'll try tonight. Now it is, I want to see now, it's fully charged. It says 100% ready. So we will try tonight to see how much it does on a longer stretch. And unfortunately, it was not possible on that drag race. So it'll be an additional video, and you'll see, guys, how this monster performs and what's the top speed. I think 65, maybe close to 70 should be, but we'll see. Maybe 62, 63, maybe 65 is the top speed. That's still enough. That's still really fast for what it is. But what's impressive here is this kit, the stability, it's insane. If you want to go off-road, keep the old kit because you need more clearance and you need to go that fast. So guys, let me know in the comments below what you think. I think it was a really cool meetup. People are insanely cool. It was awesome experience, and we had a good group right after that. So guys, stay tuned, more coming in the next video.